Hello everyone, welcome today on uh, Tuesday, February the 16th, 2021. We have here an additional with extra Sudokus with 1 star, Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars. Then we have here a tectonic with 4 stars, a tectonic with 1 star, binary number 1, and a binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. But first, we will solve this 3-star Sudoku. And why not the first one with 1 star? Because I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Too much and time consuming to solve all the puzzles. So only the 3 stars I will solve, the 4 stars, then 1 tectonic and 1 binary. And this will be a number 2, 3, 3, 5. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. The 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. So let's get started. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So on the third row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Then a 4 in this row, a 4 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Well. Alright. Let me think. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the row below, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in that box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Then Okay, we have a pair. No, we don't have a pair. 1, 9. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 1. 3 and 1, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be a 3 anymore. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes in this big square. 1, 9, 6. Okay. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, 5. Yeah. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. 2, 6. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 and the 6 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left, a pair, 9 and the 6 are missing in this row. Let me mark those. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Okay, and now 4, 4, 4, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in the middle column for the numbers 6 and 8, I believe. Yes, 6 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this third column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 and 9. 3 missing numbers, 4, 8 and 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. No, cannot fill this yet. Alright, 2 and 6. Yeah, 8 in this third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on the last column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This box should be the 8, and this box should be a 9. Do we have all the 8s? Yes, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright. 1, 4. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left. In this row for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 should be here, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in the last column, 1 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So that column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 6. No, 6 we have. 5 is missing. Yes, 5 is missing. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? 1, the 2 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 6 could be everywhere. 2, 6, and the 9. Well, we don't have 2, 6, 9. Let me mark those 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. So the other 3 numbers should be 1, 4, 1, 4, and 5. 1, 4, and 5. 1, 4, and 5. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 here in the middle column. So in this box cannot be 4 and 5. The 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 1. Okay, now we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the first row. This box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 9. And this should be a 5. Okay. 4, 5, 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those two? The other pair in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. Okay. 2, 6, 2, 6. 2, 6. How about those two numbers, 2 and a 1? We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there in this row. 2 numbers left. One in the middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9. 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9. Okay. Those two numbers should be the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 6. All right, 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. Okay, 1 box left in this row for the number 6 is missing in this row. Alright, now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This box should be the 6. This should be a 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 are missing. Let me. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 5. 2 boxes left, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 9 and a 2, 9 and a 2. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. All right, for a 3-star Sudoku. I'm very pleased with the time. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku in this additional. It will be a 4 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.